Today we are going to learn to read and write a new sound. A.
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 In my picture, there are some children. They're making a cake. A, make a cake.
A. Make a cake.
Fred has got some words for us. Ache.
Cake. Cake.
Cake.
Cake.
Ache.
Snake. Snake.
Snake.
Snake.
Ache.
Ache. Flake.
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 Brilliant. Ache.
Ache. Make.
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 Super Fred talk. They're making a cake. A, make a cake.
A. Make a cake.
Special friends. A.
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 Chatty special friends. They can't sit together. We've got to split them up. A.
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 A, make a cake.
A. Make a cake.
Watch me. A, make a cake. A. A. A, make a cake. A, make a cake. A. Your turn. Ready?
A. 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 Make a cake. A. Make a cake. A. 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 Make a cake.
Can you find our chatty special friends on your sound chart in front of you? Magnet eyes. We've done A, may I play? Now we're looking at A, make a cake. Let's get A in the
Pack.
Ready, magnet eyes.
O. E. I. I. U. O. A. O. A.
Super. Well done for remembering to point when you see our chatty special friends for today.
O. E. I. U. O. A. O.
Brilliant. One more time as quick as we can.
O. E. I. A.
Super speedy sounds!
Super speedy sounds.
Super speedy sounds!
Super speedy sounds.
Special friends, Fred talk, read the word. Special friends,
A.
Fred talk and read.
A. Cake.
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 Special friends,
A.
Fred talk and read.
Make. Make.
Make.
Make.
Special friends,
A. Name.
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 Special friends,
A. Same.
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 Special friends,
A.
Fred talk and read.
Date. Date.
Date.
Date.
Last one, special friends,
A.
Fred talk and read.
Late. Late.
Late.
Late.
Super. Time to review. Special friends, Fred talk and read the word. Special friends,
E.
Fred talk and read.
Scream.
Special friends,
A. Snail. Snail.
snail.
Snail.
Special friends,
Earth. Earth.
good.
No.
And Fred talk and read.
Nurse. Nurse.
Nurse.
Nurse.
Good. Special friends,
Air.
good. Fred talk and read.
Bear. Bear.
Special friends,
I.
Fred talk and read.
Hide. Hide.
Brilliant. This time, secret Fred talk. Fred in your
Head.
special friends, Fred in your head. Special friends,
Air. Bear.
special friends,
I. Hide.
special friends.
E. Sleep.
Good. Special Special friends.
A. Snail.
Good. Special friends.
And
Spread in your head.
nurse.
Brilliant. Let's get
Speedy.
Let's get speedy.
Let's get speedy.
Wait for me to push forward.
Nurse. Bear. Hide. Scream. Snail.
Even quicker this time. Ready, Magna Eyes?
Bear. Hide. Scream. Snail. Nurse. Hide. Bear.
Super speedy reading.
Speedy reading.
Aliens out, please. Special friends, Fred Talk, read the word. Special friends.
Oi.
Fred Talk and read.
Oi. Oi.
Special friends.
A. Ache. Plague.
Special friends.
O.
Fred Talk and read.
Ode. Clothed.
Special friends. Let's look at that one again. This one's a tricky one. Special friends. And Fred Talk and read. Your turn. Special friends. Fred Talk and read. What a load of nonsense!
What a load of nonsense!
Can you open up your books, please? Get your pencil in your hand and Magna Eyes on me. Let's spell the word name.
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 Think about your Fred fingers. Ready? Fingers! Show me your Fred fingers. Show me your pencil in your hand. Say the word name.
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 Pinch the sound. Where's my friend? He's
On the end.
Fred Talk and read to check. Magna Eyes. Let's spell the word name using our letter names. Ready?
N-A-M-E.
Where's my friend? He's
On the end.
Tick your N, split A, M. Late.
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 Pencil in hand for me. Show me your pencil in your hand. Late.
Late.
Think about your Fred fingers. Fingers. 3. Show me 3. Tuck your nose with them, Tom. Good. Say the word late.
Late.
Pinch the sound.
Late.
Remember to use your sound chart to help you. Beautiful, Marnie. Well done. Really good. Fred Talk and read to check. Where's my friend, please?
On the end.
Okay, Magna Eyes. Marnie, Magna Eyes. Let's spell the word late using letter names.
L-A-T-E.
Where's my friend? He's
On the end.
Tick your L, split A, T. Shape.
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 Pencil in hand for me. Shape.
Shape.
Think about your Fred fingers. Fingers. 3. Say the word shape.
Shape.
Pinch the sound.
Ape. Ape. Shape.
Remember to underline your special friends.
Shape.
Magna Eyes. Let's spell the word shape using our letter names.
S-H-A-P-E.
Where's my friend?
He's on the end.
Tick your S-H-A-E-P. Tick or fix. Magna eyes. Nurse.
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 Pencil in hand. Think about your thread fingers. Ready? Fingers! You should have 3. Tuck your nose, Jamie. Say the word for me. Nurse.
Nurse.
Pinch the sound.
Nurse.
And think about the S in nurse. Think about the S in nurse and which sound you're going to use. Use your sound chart to help you. Remember to underline your special friends. Good, Chloe. Fred, talk and read to check. Are you going to use this this Well done. Magna eyes on me for a second. Think about this in nurse. Fred, talk and read to check if you're finished. Underline your special friends. Well done. Okay, Magna eyes. Let's spell the word nurse. Ready, Jamie?
Yeah.
Let's go.
N-U-R-S-E.
Tick your N-U-R-S-E. Tick or fix. Nurse. Magna eyes. Smile.
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 Pencils in hand. Think about your thread fingers on your thread hand. Ready? Fingers. 4. Tuck your nose for me. Say the word smile.
Smile.
Pinch the sounds.
M-I-O.
Think about which I sound you need in smile.
Smile.
Lovely.
Smile.
Fred, talk and read to check.
Smile.
Lovely, lovely handwriting as well. Think about which I sound. Ariana. Remember to show me your special friends.
Smile.
Let's learn together. Magna eyes. Let's spell the word smile. Ready? Letter names.
S-M-I-L-E.
Where's my friend?
He's on the end.
Tick your S-M-I-E-L. Tick or fix. And don't worry if you have to fix because mistakes help us learn. Leave a line, Jamie, so it's really clear. Okay, Magna eyes. Today, you have learned to read and write the sound
A.
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 Brilliant. Give yourself a hip, hip, hooray!
Hip, hip, hooray.
Good job, well done.